civil authority has issued an immediate evacuation notice for the following counties/areas. Boulder, Co. at 3:17 p.m. on October 18, 2020, effective until 7:47 p.m. Message from WDFA/NWS. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Boulder Office of Emergency Management. Hazard. Wildfire location of the fire is 14,000 block of Left and Canyon Drive. Protective actions. Evacuation order for the town of Ord and the areas north of Ord, Gold Hill and the 14,000 block of Left and Canyon Drive. Included in the evacuation order are residents of Spring Gulch Road and Gold Lake Road. Leave the area immediately. If east of the 14,000 block of Left and Canyon Drive, go east on Left and Canyon Drive or Sunshine Canyon Drive. If west, go towards Highway 72 and head south to Nederland. Go to Boulder.com for more information.